Purdue Pharma, the company behind the prescription painkiller Oxycontin, has filed for bankruptcy protection. The filing comes days after it reached a settlement with more than 20 states, which blame Purdue for fueling the opioid crisis. CBSN New York's Aundrea Cline-Thomas. It's outside of the U.S. District Court in White Plains where that motion was filed. Aundrea, what can you tell us now?
Well, Alex, the court has to approve this deal that includes Purdue Pharma offering up about $10 billion to, as they say, address the opioid crisis. But Alex, if you talk to anyone who's been affected, they're going to tell you that no amount of money can reverse the damage or bring back their loved ones. Sunday, Purdue Pharma, the makers of the heavily prescribed opioid Oxycontin, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The settlement restructures the company owned by Richard Sackler and members of his family. In a statement, the chairman of Purdue's board of directors said, quote, "This unique framework for a comprehensive resolution will dedicate all of the assets and resources of Purdue for the benefit of the American public." This comes after dozens of state attorneys general sued, accusing the pharmaceutical company of deceptive practices that downplayed the addictive nature of the powerful opioid.
Within 4 months, Tim was addicted to opioids.
Terry Krause says her son Timothy was first prescribed Oxycontin for his migraines. A decade ago, the 19-year-old became one of Suffolk County's first overdose victims. Part of the $10 billion bankruptcy agreement will go towards a monetary settlement to families. It will also fund the creation of a new company that develops an opioid reversal drug like naloxone and distributes it at a low cost or no cost to affected communities.
Let us not forget the masterminds, the family enterprise behind this crisis, the family that literally profited off of the suffering and the death of countless New Yorkers, the Sackler family.
The agreement would require a minimum $3 billion contribution from the Sackler family. Published reports expect the deal to be contested by most states. Now, in a statement, the Sackler family said, quote, they had deep compassion for the victims. However, the Sackler family and Purdue Pharma have not explicitly admitted to contributing to the opioid crisis. In White Plains, Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBSN, New York.